Hello, hello. Welcome back to English Chat Channel.
Hi, friends. Nice to see you again.
My name is Emma. I am your English teacher.
And I am Leo. I am learning English with you.
This podcast is for beginners. Very easy English, slow English.
Yes. Listen, repeat, practice.
Today is episode 2.
In episode 1, we learned many things.
Yes, we learned greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, daily life.
Today, we learn new things.
Yes, today we learn family, colors, places, time, and simple sentences.
Great. Let's start.
Now, family.
Family is very important.
Yes, listen and repeat.
Mother,
Father,
sister,
brother,
parents.
family.
Good.
Again, slow.
Mother,
Father,
sister,
brother.
family.
Nice.
Who is this?
She is my mother.
Mother,
Yes, he is my father.
father,
I have one sister.
sister,
I have one brother.
brother.
Now you, tell me.
I have a mother. I have a father. I have one sister.
Great.
Listener, practice. Say, I have a mother.
Good. Say, I have a brother.
Nice work.
Now, colors.
Colors are fun.
Yes. Look and repeat.
Red,
Blue,
green,
yellow,
black.
white.
Again.
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white.
Very good.
What color is this?
It is red,
Red. My shirt is yellow.
yellow,
The book is green.
green.
Now, places.
Places we go.
Yes. Listen.
Home,
School,
work,
shop,
park.
cafe.
Again, slow.
Home, school, work, shop, park, cafe.
Good.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Home. I go to work.
Work,
I go to the shop.
shop.
Listener, practice. Say, I am at home.
Nice.
Now, time.
Time is important.
Yes. Listen.
Morning,
Afternoon.
evening.
Night.
Again.
Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night.
Good. Good morning.
Good morning, Leo.
In the morning, I wake up.
Good. In the afternoon, I work.
In the evening, I eat.
At night, I sleep.
Listener, repeat. I wake up in the morning.
Nice job. Now, simple sentences.
Easy English.
Listen.
I like coffee.
I like tea.
I go to work.
I go home.
Again.
I am Emma.
I am Leo.
I like coffee.
I go home.
Great.
What do you like?
I like apples.
Nice.
What do you like?
I like pizza.
Now, a small story.
Easy story.
Listen. In the morning, I wake up. I drink coffee. I go to work. In the afternoon, I eat. In the evening, I go home. At night, I sleep.
Nice and easy.
Now you.
In the morning, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school. In the evening, I go home. At night, I sleep.
Very good, Leo. Now, review.
We learned family.
Mother, father, sister, brother.
We learned colors.
Red, blue, green.
We learned places.
Home, work, shop.
We learned time.
Morning, evening, night.
We learned sentences.
I like coffee. I go home.
Great job, listener.
Thank you for learning with us.
Practice every day.
Speak a little English every day.
See you in episode 3.
Bye-bye, friends.
Goodbye.